So coming here today as an enabler who is now bringing in water so that the real outcome of this dream we had in 2014 can be realized. So for me, I'm seeing two fulfillments. One, a dream that we started to have an industrial park that will transform Kenya. Leather sector is now becoming a reality. Number two is that dream needed enablers, roads, electricity, water, and I'm here now to provide the water.
We have a pipeline of 25 kilometers. We have an additional 5.5 kilometers internally where the leather park is. And the designs for this particular pipeline is able to command up to 3,000 cubic a day. We still have a bit of challenges, and we are here with our colleagues from ADI so that we see how we can increase that volume, because the current volume is about 700 a day.
Wamepeana fedha kwa hii factory ndio watu wa area hii wafanye uso on development na wapate maji. Wamekuwa wamehangaika miaka nyingi sana, hata akaweka bidii, akaweka lami hapa, kwa sababu hata tunajua development hapa ameinuka economically. Watu wa area hii wameinuka kwa sababu ya hii maji.
It's not the only project that the Ministry of Water has done. Almost in every sub-county we have running projects and other proposed projects, and I'm sure in the very near future Machakos is going to be self-sufficient in terms of water and sewer.